Picture this: a future where AI can write, drive, and even diagnose disease, but still can't replicate the spark that makes you uniquely human. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the top 5 skills that remain firmly out of reach for machines and why mastering them is your ultimate career insurance in an ever changing job market. Creativity is the ability to combine ideas in ways no algorithm predicts. While AI can remix existing content, it lacks the lived experience that fuels original art, storytelling, and breakthrough inventions. Humans draw inspiration from memories, senses, and emotions, producing truly novel concepts that keep culture alive and economies thriving. These skills cannot be fully coded, making them a safe haven for human workers. Emotional intelligence means sensing, understanding, and responding to feelings, your own and others. AI can recognize facial expressions, yet it cannot truly empathize or build trust through shared vulnerability. When you navigate grief, joy, or conflict, you create bonds that machines simply observe, never experience, giving you a decisive edge in leadership and teamwork. Such connections drive collaboration and innovation. Complex problem solving blends data, intuition, and real world context. AI excels at crunching numbers, but it struggles when variables shift unpredictably or when ethical nuances arise. Humans can pivot, ask the right questions, and synthesize disparate knowledge into actionable strategies, especially in chaotic environments like disaster response or emerging markets. Your ability to see the bigger picture turns data into meaningful decisions. Ethical judgment requires weighing values, consequences, and societal impact areas, where AI follows preset rules but cannot create new moral frameworks. Humans deliberate on fairness, privacy, and long term repercussions, making choices that align with cultural norms and personal conscience. This stewardship protects humanity from unintended harms that algorithms might otherwise overlook. Thus, ethical leadership remains a uniquely human responsibility. Physical dexterity combines fine motor control, sensory feedback, and adaptive learning. Robots can assemble parts, yet they falter in unpredictable environments like kitchens, construction sites, or artistic studios. Humans improvise, feel texture, and adjust force instantly, allowing us to perform tasks that require a delicate touch or spontaneous creativity. These abilities keep us essential in hands-on professions. Teaching blends knowledge, transfer, empathy, and real-time adaptation to learners' needs. AI can present facts, but only a human can gauge confusion, inspire curiosity, and tailor explanations on the fly. Mentors shape mindsets, model behaviors, and cultivate confidence, making education a dynamic, relational experience beyond any static algorithm. Such personal guidance fuels lifelong growth and societal progress. Negotiation hinges on reading tone, building rapport, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. AI can calculate optimal offers, yet it cannot sense hesitation, cultural subtleties, or the human need for respect. Skilled negotiators craft agreements that preserve relationships and unlock value, a talent that machines struggle to replicate under real-world pressures. Mastering this art secures both personal and professional success. Now you know the 5 irreplaceable skills that keep humans ahead of machines. By honing creativity, emotional insight, ethical judgment, dexterous adaptability, and persuasive negotiation, you future-proof your career. If this sparked curiosity, please like, comment your favorite skill, and subscribe for more deep dives into thriving in an AI-driven world. Your growth starts today.